Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, BVF Collection, Bad Vibes Server Collection, back at it again with another unwrapping video. We got ourselves an amazing, beautiful package delivered by the homie Carlos from DHL themselves. As y'all know, when it comes to DHL, you know it came straight from Japan. Today's video is a very awesome package. In this package is a supposed, well, should be, if everything goes right, which it will, more than likely, 99% sure. Anyways, in this package, a 10 out of 10 large touring Bred Hoodie from 2017. Very excited to get into this opening, especially with the new setup with both my hands and whatnot. But yeah, let's freaking get to it, guys. So we're gonna go ahead, rip this off. Oh, don't want to show the other side because it's got my info, you know what I'm saying? So, oh, I wonder if we're gonna get any cool Japanese like packaging, you know? Like last time we got some cool cat or something. I wonder what we got. Oh, we got something. Literally got this not even 5 minutes ago. Had my lights set up, freaking everything ready to go. But yeah, here's the bag. I can see a little bit of red right there. Here we go. There it is. There's the tag. And there's the bread. We must save the bread. We must save it. It'll be in this package like this. No mo. Holy crap. One last time of it being folded like dookie. Here you guys go. And let's save it from the cracking. Holy crap. Wow. Let's go! Let me turn it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. A large Bred Hoodie, brand new, 10 out of 10. Stupid soft on the inside. Stretched out hood. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and just like open it up all the way. Wow. Let me tilt it up a little more. Holy guacamole freaking moly. Oh, Japanese, amazing. Holy. So it's just like the other one we unboxed, I don't know how long ago, but yeah, it's just like the medium. We got ourselves the large now. We're moving up on the sizes. Let's get a close-up of that. Look at that puff. My gosh. Dang near 10 out of 10. Maybe like a little bit, couple of flaws, but wow. Check the inside. See if, no, they always got the tags ripped off. I forgot. It's the touring version. Of course it's tags ripped off. But yeah. The large Bred Hoodie, ladies and gentlemen. You already know. Pretty dope, if you ask me. Tilt it down a little more. And without further ado, to the kill hand, guys. I hope it's 10 out of 10. Why wouldn't it be, right? Boom! Pow! It's not 10 out of 10. No! Just kidding. Well, it's not. As you can tell, there's quite a bit of errors. Cracking there, cracking there, cracking there. This black streak right here. Not sure what that's about. A little bit of cracking all throughout. But still, phenomenal. Not 10 out of 10. Disclaimer, no longer 10 out of 10 from what I was thinking. I'll give it a 9.5. I'll give it 9.5. But jolly, goodness gracious. Puffy, let me tell you. Well, not puffy, but yeah, not puffy. Pretty flat. Holy crap. Very nice, though. Very nice. That's pretty much it, though. Super sick, super grateful. Freaking awesome piece right here. Wow. Can't wait to try this bad boy on. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Y'all have an amazing day, weekend, weekday, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, all that good stuff. Thank you, everyone, again, so much for watching. Take it easy. Lemon squeezy. Bye.